I want to show you exactly how I market my digital products online without spending a dime on ads. Yes, that's right. No Facebook ads, no tech headaches, and no fancy funnel builders required. What I'm about to share with you is the same system that helped me turn my experience into income and my confidence into momentum, all while just working a few hours a day. And the best part, it works even if you're starting from zero. Before I dive into the details, there's one thing I want you to keep in mind. The way you market is just important as what you sell. And once you learn how to market the simple way, everything changes. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've been where you're at, wanting more time and more income without the overwhelm. I've had a lifetime of chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and building businesses. Some gave me success and others left me struggling, but I never regretted following my own path. When I reached the point where I needed to earn extra income, not just to survive, but to start building a secure future, digital marketing landed in my lap. I didn't understand it at all at first. I had no experience, but the results have been life-changing. Now I help others, especially women over 50, build confidence online and create success through my community, my Digital Success Club. The first step in marketing digital products successfully is choosing a product that people are already looking for. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. The easiest way to build momentum fast is to offer a high-demand digital product, something that solves a real problem that people are actively searching for. This could be an educational course, a done-for-you product, or a system that teaches a skill that people want to learn. When I started, I didn't create my own product. I partnered with a proven system, a step-by-step blueprint that showed me exactly how to start selling digital education online. Here's the truth. Success doesn't come with a genius idea. It starts with a good decision. Pick something that people want, and the rest gets easier. If you could sell one digital product that helps others with something you're passionate about, what would it be? Comment below. I would love to hear. Thinking that this makes sense, but you need to see more details? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. The second step is mastering attraction marketing. It's how you get customers to come to you. Instead of chasing leads or trying to go viral, attraction marketing is all about sharing value and being authentic. It means showing up online, whether that's on YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, with helpful content that educates and inspires your audience. When I stopped trying to be perfect and started being real, everything shifted. People don't buy from the most polished person. They buy from the one who makes them feel seen, heard, and understood. If you stay consistent, your content starts working for you. You'll find people reaching out and saying, I've been following you for months. I'm ready to start. That's how attraction marketing works. Ready to learn more and see how it all fits together? Download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. This is the secret most beginners miss. It's called automation. Automation is what allows your business to work even when you're not online. It can be as simple as emails, pre-built funnels, and scheduling your content so people find you 24/7. I remember waking up to my first $900 sale. It was incredible. And then every time it's happened since, it still feels incredible to earn money while I'm sleeping. That was when I truly understood the power of automation. People can make their decision in their own time. And sometimes their own time is the middle of the night for me. The beautiful thing is you don't have to be techy to set this all up. We teach tools that are beginner friendly, and once they're set up, they run like clockwork. Ready to learn more right now? Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. This one might surprise you. The biggest marketing hack is just being yourself. The online space is filled with noise, polished influencers, flashy ads, and highlight reels. But authenticity always stands out. When you speak from your heart, your message lands deeper. That's why I created my free top 10 style hacks guide to help you look and feel your best on camera so you can show up confidently and connect authentically with your audience. Grab the free link for the top 10 style hacks below. Because when you feel good about yourself, you focus less on fear and more about your message. Confidence is contagious. Your audience feels it. You become a vessel for the message they need. Click below to download my free top 10 style hacks. This guide will transform how you see yourself on camera. So your message shines through, your confidence grows, and the right clients finally find you. And finally, don't do it alone. Community is where confidence grows fastest. When I first started, I had no idea how powerful it would be to learn alongside other women building the same kind of freedom-based business. That's exactly why I started my Digital Success Club, a supportive community where we share strategies, celebrate wins, and walk this path together. Find the link to join my Digital Success Club in the description below. When you have mentorship and accountability, the learning curve shrinks. You stop second guessing and you start doing. If you've been thinking, maybe it's too late for me, or I'm not techie enough to start online, then I want you to remember this. It's never too late to reinvent yourself. You don't need to go viral, you just need a system, a product in demand, and the confidence to take the first step. Download my free top 10 style hacks to start showing up on camera with confidence. And when you're ready to build extra income online, start here with my Freedom Formula Blueprint. Because the truth is, smart women aren't waiting for the right moment. We're creating it. Now that you know how I market my digital products with no ads, you might be wanting to learn how I earn $1,200 in one day with the same automated system. It all starts by watching this next video, because when you pair it with what you just learned, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.